One evening, while helping his grandmother sweep the veranda, a soft, glowing feather floats down from the sky and lands at his feet. It shimmers with colors he's never seen: sky blue, gold, and stardust silver. His grandma gasps. "That's a whispering feather," she says. "They say it leads only the pure-hearted to the sky nest, home of the phoenix bird, keeper of hope." That night, Arya hears a voice in his dream. "Help me before the flame fades." Determined, Arya packs his bag, biscuits, a water bottle, a scarf, and sets off on the trail at dawn. The feather floats ahead, guiding him past enchanted meadows, over talking streams, and through the singing trees whose leaves hum lullabies in the wind. But not all is peaceful. A thick mist blocks the path, and Arya hears eerie whispers. Shadows rise. Fear creeps in. "Go back," they hiss. But Arya remembers his grandma's words. Courage means walking through the dark when your heart shines bright. He holds the feather close and walks forward. Finally, he reaches a glowing cliff where the phoenix lies, its flame-dim eyes weary. "I was hating," the phoenix whispers, "but your kindness, your bravery reignites me." As Arya touches the feather to the bird's heart, the sky erupts in a swirl of color and light. The phoenix soars into the sky, reborn. It gives Arya a small feather, warm with magic. This will remind you, even a small heart can save a fading world. Back home, Arya keeps the feather on his windowsill. The winds whisper through it every evening like a lullaby only he can hear. True courage is when you help even when you're afraid. And kindness, it can bring magic back to the world. Love magical adventures like this? Then fly into Arya's world with a subscribe and let the stories take you higher.